Dino walkthrough. Da, 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 da. So we just have some little ways to go, but this will be the best day ever. See you there. Bye, guys. Hi, guys. We're here. Giant T-Rex.
Oh yeah, it's attached to the building.
I see it.
Yeah, he looks herbivorous. Herbivorous? Herbivorous? Was here. That's how high. You see that red line? That's how high the water was. I see a rock here with a dinosaur name on it, but I don't see the dinosaur. Massospondylus.
Massospondylus.
So Cason, they ate rocks in order to help digest the plants and the leaves they ate. The water level is just getting higher. Cason, go stand.
It's a short nose.
That looks like an alligator.
You see the red line? That's where the water was.
This is like a parade, but it's not. It's the train. Yeah. What's up, my bro? Hi, guys. I love dinosaurs. Argentina.
Very good.
You know, there's actually, Casey, you know the largest sauropod they found is actually called Argentinosaurus because I think it was found in Argentina, where these guys are from. I know. Hey, and Cason, you know at the T-Rex.
Waterfall.
You know at the T-Rex Cafe, that big sauropod that's over the top of it?
Yeah.
That's an Argentinosaurus.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
Bob, there's another waterfall right there.
I don't think he thinks my fun facts are very fun.
Hey.
plants that they point out. It is a brachy. Oh, I know they're toxic, but the animals don't eat them. That was a Jurassic Park quote.
Oh yeah, North America. They live.
Yeah, look. Many fossils of Cosmosaurus have been found in China, leading scientists to believe that they traveled in a herd. What does a herd mean? Look at the.
Oh yeah, a herd. It's like a herd where they work together.
Because there's how many of them? Is there just one of them, or is there?
A lot.
There's lots of them. That's right. Good job. That's what a herd means.
These look like raptors.
They live in Mongolia.
He is related to raptors and other bird-like dinosaurs.
Dad, Ornitholestes.
Ornitholestes.
Bird-like dinosaurs.
The Tryptosaurus.
Well, and what's he doing?
Eating Pachycephalosaurus.
And where's he from?
North America.
Oh man, that thing lives where we live?
He's extinct.
Might be time to move to Canada. Oh, extinct? Good thing he's extinct. I don't know if I did catch your obey, but Katie pointed out that Canada is in North America, and
I didn't point it out. I just said I'm gonna give you.
She just said, "Oh, babe, yeah." I said, "That's my bad. Canada's in North America."
The Pachycephalosaurus.
Yeah, look. Pachycephalosaurus.
He's way bigger than I thought.
Skeleton garden.
Stegosaurus and Triceratops. Tyrannosaurus Rex.
It's not Triceratops, it's Torosaurus. It's a ceratopsid of some sort. Cason, you know what?
Yeah.
A lot of scientists are trying to bring the woolly mammoths back.
Just keep the animals we have alive.
I think the science is fascinating, trying to bring back the woolly mammoth and the thylacine. But I'm kind of with Katie. It's mostly humans feeling bad about what they've done and trying to correct it.
Just because we can doesn't mean we should.
Yeah. Of all of them, if we bring back a woolly mammoth and have it in a zoo to see, you know, that would be fine. Thylacine as well, but the ecosystem has evolved. I feel like since they were gone, and introducing them back into the ecosystem would probably really mess some stuff up.
Hi guys, we're going on the train ride. It's a slow ride. Look. Bye. This is fun.
This is fun.
Say hello to my followers. Pretty cool, right? How come we missed those ones? Dilophosaurus.
That's what I said.
Saltosaurus. Mom, we have a new one now.
Yeah, I think
Mom, look.
edging into new territory here.
Let's see.
Leolinosaurus.
Leolinosaurus.
Brachylophosaurus. What about this one?
Did you get a picture?
Velociraptor.
Velociraptor. They're the little tiny
Finally.
velociraptors.
Good gracious, that would never find them.
But we did.
That talks about alligators in there.
Triceratops.
Go over this bridge and come around this.
What is it?
Cason, look over here.
Triceratops.
Let me see. Oh, here.
Sticky along.
Sticky and Monk and Triceratops. But wait till you see what's coming up behind these bushes. Get the camera ready because Daddy saw it. There's a sauropod, but also...
Wait, what is that? Spinosaurus!
Get a good shot.
Oh! Wow. I thought that was like something else.
Spinosaurus.
Yep, it is a Spinosaurus.
Where are they from?
North Africa. They're in North
That's good.
Africa.
Here, let me see. There's a big one over here on this side.
I can't see his head. We'll see.
I got a picture of it.
We'll see him.
This is, it looks, yeah, that does look like a brachy. Ultrasaurus.
Ultrasaurus.
There's another Ultrasaurus over here. Ultrasaurus was the big one that I had in the play school. I used to have the play school Ultrasaurus. It's a huge toy. This is another one of my favorites growing up, Peanut. This mommy is going, look, sweetie, if you don't stay next to me at all times, this is what happens. So stay next to mommy.
It was the best.
How many dinosaurs did you
Infinity.
Well,
I got a Dilophosaurus. Anyway, bye bye Dinosaur World. Cason out.
he said he needs a break. But bye Dinosaur World. Cason out. And then he says he needs a break.